Hybrid technology is the future of driving, but even the most advanced engines need protection and performance enhancement. Introducing Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment with HybridShield Technology. Designed specifically for hybrid engines to maximize fuel efficiency, extend engine life, reduce friction, stabilize fuel from fuel degrading, combat corrosion, clean and protect vital fuel system components like pumps, fuel injectors and intake valves, and reduce environmental impact. Simply add it to a full tank of gas every 3,000 miles or as needed. Eco-conscious? So are we. Our formula is designed to improve fuel economy, lower emissions, and comes in a 50% recycled bottle because performance and sustainability matter. No matter what hybrid you drive, Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment with HybridShield Technology gives you the optimal blend of performance, protection, and efficiency. Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment with HybridShield Technology. Innovation for the road ahead.